Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here. I'm going to do something a little different today. I've had a couple of different requests to show you how to more detail how to use our website. So for those of you who are kind of new to computers or are still getting the hang of it, this video might be pretty valuable. First, we're going to start at where most of you find us at. That's on YouTube. Just for example, I did a video Saturday for a 2018 Thor Race 30.2. A couple of different ways you can get to the video. If you're watching the video, of course, you can go to the video description below. And this may look a little different on a mobile device like a cell phone, but you can still get the video description. And click on the link, which is right here. And of course, it takes you to my used Class A page of my website. Or you can just type in parkwayrvcenter.com. Here's my home page. This is what it looks like. I tried to make it as user-friendly as possible. So, a couple different ways you can look at the inventory. You can see Class A, B, C, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, hybrids, and other. You can look, let's say Class B's. Everybody likes camper van. Click on here, and this is going to start out with the gas as a default. And if I have any diesels, which I do, it'll show the one diesel I have. And then it goes up to the Class B pluses. Alright, let's just say you're looking for a Class B. You click on my website. You say, I really like this 2006 Pleasureway right here. Just click on it. Click on the text or anywhere on it. And this shows the main page. Now, this is where a lot of people have a hard time navigating to. Here, folks, I don't believe in too much information. Here, I've got pictures. You can see I've got a factory floor plan. I have pictures of the RV. And you can enlarge those pictures and scroll through them too. The factory floor plan is a really handy tool to have if you want to see exactly how it's laid out, because keep in mind these vans are pretty tight, so it's hard for me to get much of a far off picture, but you can see how everything's laid out. Of course, we can X out of that on the upper right hand corner. Used 2006 Pleasureway, Ford Excel TS. List price, which is the option A price, $39.9. Location, Ringgold, Georgia. Stock number. Now, right here, folks, is what I've been talking about that I've recently addition to my website. This green text right here, this green box, is what we inspect for option A price. And this right here is something no other dealer does, folks. Click on this, and you have a very deep, I'm not going to read it all to you, but strongly encourage you to go on there and read a 4-page checkout sheet of everything that we inspect for the option A price, and goes into details of how we inspect it, what we inspect. No other dealer around is going to do that on a used RV. Of course, you can X out of that, or you can print it out or download it to your computer. In fact, I strongly encourage you, if you go to another dealership, print that list out and tell them you want to buy it with all that stuff included. They're going to laugh you out of there. But anyway, of course, you got your list price, you got what we inspect. The get lowest price feature is you put your information here, and it lets us know that you want an option B price. And the get lowest price, of course, our prices are haggle free. But what that is if you want to take it as is, no checkout, no warranty if it qualifies for a warranty, and no other benefits that we give you. And of course, you can always contact sales right here. It's a simple form, and one of us will get back with you pretty quick. You can request info, which is basically like it's the same thing as a contact us form. And if you've got a trade-in, you want to get the trade-in appraisal process started, you can click right here and fill out this form. I know it seems long, but when we're putting a figure on something that we haven't seen, we have to have as much information as possible to give you an accurate trade-in assessment, because we want to get everything where you know exactly what you have before you bring it to the lot as far as what it's worth, and that's the first step. So we're going to scroll back, and I've got a payment calculator right here underneath that. If you want to get a rough estimate on a payment, of course this is with approved credit, interest rates do vary, as well as terms and as well. You can, another important cool feature right here is you can apply for financing. And this generates an online credit application that you can go to. We can go ahead and try to get you approved for financing. make sure all the information entered on there is correct before you submit it, because once it goes to the banks, and we try to get you the best interest rate and terms that we can. Send to a friend feature. If you've got somebody you want to send it to, you can type in their email, it sends it to them. And of course, you've got a print page where you can actually print the entire page out with all of the important information. And of course, underneath that is the specifications. Now, I've been to other dealers' websites, folks, and I can't show them on here, but I'm sure you have too. How many other dealers' websites go through the time and trouble to fill all this information out? I've got everything like the holding tank sizes, the gross weight, the hitch weight, interior, exterior height, length, width, sleeping capacity, tire size, furnace and air BTU, generator information, horsepower, fuel capacity, torque, electrical service, VIN number. How many other dealers do all that, folks? And of course, right here you can see the pictures. You can click on the photos right here. Here's the video. You click on that, there's a YouTube video you can watch. Here's the factory floor plan, and this is something else hardly anybody does either. Click on this, and I actually research and download the factory sales brochure, so you have all the technical information about that Pleasureway Excel that you could ever want. And you can, again, download it or print it to your computer if you want to, or read it right from this screen. Of course, X out of that. I think I went back too many X's too far, but which gives me another way you can find stuff. You can go to this drop down menu, Class B, search, boom, easy, simple. Scroll down here, and of course I've got features and options, a little brief description of the floor plan. I've got information about our pricing right here, and of course disclaimer like always. Another contact us button down here will show similar units on my website, and of course right here is something not many people look at, but this is information about the Pleasureway company that builds this van. And of course down here I've got some quick links, you know, basically the same thing that's up top. Our business hours are right here, and of course our location. You can get directions to our place of business from anywhere in the country, and it'll give you step-by-step directions right to us. So folks, very easy website to use, and jam-packed full of information. So if you're just watching my videos on YouTube, you see something you want, click on over to my website. Also got another neat feature. If you want to chat to one of my online operators, just click on this lower right-hand button. Pops up, you can ask him or her a question, and they can't help you. They'll send your information to us, and we'll call you back the next business day. Very easy to use. So I made pretty much as best I can be. You can go through the website. You can see things like RV special stuff I've marked down, back row bargains, which are as is, fixer uppers. I've got some of them on there. About us, directions, contact us. So pretty easy website, folks. Information about financing and trading appraisal right there as well. And of course, you can always click on the upper right hand corner to go back to the home screen. Of course, you can see my Prowler links is here. Another neat feature is I've got a tow guide, which you can get to from any towable page, or you can go right here to tow guides, and here you can enter in your vehicle's information. I did a video on this before, and it will tell you what your vehicle can tow, as well as show you what RVs and fifth wheels and trailers and destination trailers we have in stock that you can tow. Pretty cool, folks. And of course you can see other things too. You can go to the drop down menu. It goes into more detail about different kinds of RVs like truck campers, which I don't have any right now, but destination trailers. That's a big thing everybody's looking for. You can search for that. You can see I've got a couple of those left. And those, you know, we're selling out of those faster than anything. But like I said, folks, very easy website to use, parkwayrvcenter.com. Save it to your favorites. A lot more information, a lot more up to date than my YouTube videos. And like I said, go to other dealers' websites and look at mine and look at theirs and look at the information I provide. I mean, I do not believe that in online shoppers, there's no such thing as an online shopper as too much information. And I apologize, I didn't do an RV video today, folks. I had a little back injury yesterday. So I'm trying to stay off my back for a day or two. I'll try to shoot one tomorrow. But today I'm trying to stay off my feet as much as possible. So, I'll try my best to shoot a video or two tomorrow. Thank you for watching, folks. Our website is, of course, ParkwayRVCenter.com. This is what it looks like from the home page when you click on it. So if this is not what you're seeing, you're not on our website. Call us 706-965-7929. That number is answered 24/7. Thank you again for watching, folks. I hope this answers a lot of your questions. For those of you who are not familiar with our site, it's a humongous resource to have, because I have so much information that, in fact, I'm sure that other RV shoppers looking stuff at other websites click over to ours to find information on the thing they're looking at, because the other dealer let them down as far as the information they put on their website. And I wish I could show you some of the websites, folks, but I'll get in trouble for that. It's kind of a legal issue. But I would love one day to show you different dealers' websites and compare them to ours. And folks, I'm very proud of this website. Got a lot of time, a lot of money invested in this for your benefit. So thank you for watching, and look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.